Is there really a best fertilizer for your lawn and garden? Not sure on what fertilizer to use? Hi, my name's Andy. I'm one of the co-founders of PetraTools. I'm laying here in my lawn. I'm going to be talking about our amazing 16-4-8 liquid lawn fertilizer. You already know that fertilizer helps plants grow healthy, but how are you sure that your lawn is getting all the nutrients it needs? Are you ready? You may be wondering what these numbers are right here on the label, right? It's on all fertilizers labels. It's on our 8-ounce, 32-ounce, 1 gallon. The 16-4-8 stands for the NPK ratio, or the amount of nutrients that this solution contains. You say, what is that? NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Yes, K is the chemical denotation of potassium. Check out your table of chemical elements, like we all know those, right? Those three are the essential nutrients that every lawn needs. When your fertilizer has those three, it's referred to as a complete fertilizer. So you say, well, what's the 16-4-8, right? Again, that's the ratio of those three nutrients in this solution. Why is that important? Because the optimal ratio of those three nutrients, it's what's needed by your lawn. And that's 4-1-2. That's the recommended formula. There are actually a lot of proven studies about this. So then you might say, well, why is the ratio 16-4-8? It's the same ratio. When you do the math, the 16-4-8 divided by 4 is 4-1-2. Makes sense? So 16-4-8 is a 4-1-2 ratio. That's what this solution contains. 16% nitrogen. It's the nutrient that encourages green and growth. Not only that, but our formula has a nitrogen quick and slow release technology. It provides quick release nitrogen for rapid green and growth, and slow release nitrogen for ongoing growth between applications. 4% of this solution is phosphorus. This nutrient strengthens the roots of your grass, and potassium, which is 8%. It fights plant diseases to ensure great plant health. This formula is definitely going to give your lawn the boost it needs for growth and to help get that deep green color. Another great thing about it is this solution is safe to use for all grass types, whether it's Bermuda, Florida, Palmetto, St. Augustine, Baja, Zoysia, Buffalo, Kentucky bluegrass, and all the other grasses. This is a balanced liquid lawn food for all of them. It's also safe to use. It's non-toxic, pet safe, and environmentally friendly. So let's talk about application. This fertilizer is very easy to use. You're just gonna mix 5 ounces of solution per gallon of water for maintenance. For best results, we always recommend you use our PetraTools sprayer for an even and maximum coverage. Application should be done every 14 days for maintenance. The best time to spray is early mornings or late afternoons. Daytime heat should be avoided as your lawn goes into dormancy during those times. You don't want to put any more stress on your lawn when it's very warm and when it's hot. We also recommend using our PetraTools Sprayer's Blue spray pattern indicator when you're spraying your lawn with fertilizer, so you can see where you've already sprayed, and make sure you don't miss any spots. But before you do fertilize your lawn, you may want to do a soil test first to know if you need to do any corrections to it. If your lawn has nutrient deficiencies, and if so, we recommend you use 10 ounces of solution per gallon of water. Again, for maintenance, 5 ounces per gallon of water. And if your soil needs correction, use 10 ounces per gallon of water. But if your soil's nitrogen deficiency is low, you may want to use our other fertilizer, which is the nitrogen fertilizer. All this information and instructions can be found on the back of all of our bottles. So there we have it. Again, this is the PetraTools liquid fertilizer 16-4-8. It is the well-recommended ratio of the essential nutrients that are needed by your lawn. We have 3 bottle sizes available: 8 ounce, 32 ounce, and 1 gallon. The 8 ounce is kind of tiny, but it's 8 ounces. I hope you found this video informational as I lay here in my grass. Thank you so much for your feedback. We appreciate when our customers leave us feedback as well as images, pictures, and videos. It really does help us to create better products and solutions for you. Hey, hit that subscribe button if you want more content from PetraTools like this that I just put out. We appreciate you. If you like this content, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think about it in the comments section below.